Are you interested in a brand new untapped traffic source? I'm not talking about any of the usual stuff. I'm not talking about solo ads. I'm not talking about Facebook or Instagram or even things like YouTube or LinkedIn. This is something that I have never seen anybody talk about. It's completely new. It's really, really cool. And this is actually getting people real results. If you're interested, I'm going to tell you all about it coming up in my review of Traffic Time. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer. I am known as the man with a hat. That's because I wear a fedora pretty much everywhere that I go. I am one of the very few people that can pull them successfully. Well, me and my buddy Neil over here. Now, if you are new to the channel, by the way, if you're not new, well, you might want to stick around because I actually have some new jokes to share with you, believe it or not. So, but seriously, by the way, if you didn't see my previous video that I posted today about the fact that I'm no longer a New Yorker, feel free to check that out. If you're wondering why I no longer have my green screen behind me, we just bought a house. I'm very excited about it. I'm going to be doing a tour in a couple of months once all the renovations are done. But in the meantime, if you are new to the channel, what I do here is two things. I review software and info products to make money online niche. And why would I do such a thing, you might ask? Well, it's actually very, very simple. Let's make sure that you don't end up buying a bunch of crap.
Crap, I like crap. I love crap. I need crap.
Okay, you know what? You may like crap, but I don't. I don't want these people to buy any. So why don't you keep it to yourself, okay? Seriously. Anyway, seriously, if you are new to the channel, the way things work here, if I like a product, I will give it to match the product great. If I don't, better luck next time. Now, I also do a lot of videos involving mindset and entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Okay, look, Liz, you know what? You've been saying the same thing for a ridiculous amount of time, and it's getting really, really boring. Okay, seriously, get a new line. I'm no longer a New Yorker, so I don't have to agree with everything that you New York people have to say. Okay, seriously. If you are new, make sure you go ahead and smash that subscribe button, hit the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos. Thanks to subscribe. So it doesn't mean much on YouTube anymore. Make sure you like this video, comment down below. Let's get right into this. Okay, so we're looking at the sales page right now for Traffic Time. Now, this is a brand new product from my friend Dawood Islam. Now, Dawood is obsessed with getting good traffic, and he explained to me how this works. It is a proprietary system, so I can't give you the details exactly how he's able to do this. I can tell you this is something that is unique. He explained to me how it works, and this guy is really clever. He came up with something brand new. Nothing to do with any social networks, nothing to do with your usual solo ads, and these are leads that are buyers, and these are people who actually open their emails. Okay, it's not safe lists, it's not solo ads, it's not YouTube, it's not Facebook, it's not Instagram, it's not even LinkedIn, which I was talking about last time. I talked about traffic. This is something brand new. I'm super excited about it. Now, before we get to the members area, I do have a special bonus to offer you. Let me pick this up from me. Basically, when you do Traffic Time, you're going to be able to send an ad out to tens of thousands of buyer leads. And these are people who actually do buy. Everybody who's tried it so far has gotten really good results from it. But one of the things that you're going to want to do is basically to maximize these leads. You're going to want to first to basically direct them to a bonus page. You can't just send them directly to a Warrior Plus offer, for example. First of all, that's just never a good idea to begin with. I don't like to do it myself. I've done it once in a while, but I really try not to do that because, frankly, it just creates a lot of bad traffic. But second of all, particularly with this traffic source, you literally cannot do that. Okay, you can't send traffic out to directly to a Warrior Plus or JVZO or whatever page. You have to send it to a bridge page. I know a lot of you don't have one. The good news is I'm going to give you one completely for free. It's going to be ready-made for you. Plus, I'm going to give you something that you can give away for free to people. So if you want to just use this to capture leads, which I think is a great idea, and build up your list, then I'm also going to be giving you 90 ebooks that you can give away completely for free. These are a bonus. Sell them, use them as bonuses. Do whatever you want with them. Okay, they're really high quality stuff. They're not junk like you usually see. All right. So, and if you pick up any upgrade to traffic time, so if you pick up any upgrade to traffic time, then you're either going to get a free copy of Storiist. Now, by the way, this is not going to be for the upgrades that cost $10. You have to be spending at least at least $20 for an upgrade. So if you're spending less than $20 for an upgrade, you do not get this bonus. I know that was sometimes has like super cheap upgrades. In this particular case, because of the fact that Storiist just finished launching, the bonus you purchase, the upgrade you purchase has to be worth at least $20. If you already have Storiist, by the way, you can get the first upgrade to Storiist for free. If you already have that, then we will offer you a different upgrade. You can either get the roll your own version of Storiist, or if you also have that, then we can offer you Boost Opt-in, or we can offer you SEO Explosion or Conversion Champ for a year for free. One of those things, you'll be able to just request it from my support staff. They'll be able to get you set up with the additional bonuses. Just go and check out the members area real quick. So it works similarly to a solo ad in that you're basically going to contact their support staff and tell them, hey, this is where I want my traffic to be sent to. And they're going to send it out through this proprietary system that they came up with in order to be able to get you leads. It is a system that is really cool, not the usual stuff that you usually see, not the usual solo ad stuff where it's like, a list that's been hit 1,000,000 times over. Okay. And again, nothing to do with social media, nothing to do with anything you've actually seen before. This is completely fresh, new traffic, something that is very, very cool that I am very excited about when Dawood told me about it. And I'm deliberately not saying what it is because of the fact that it is a proprietary system that he came up with. So I can't give that away, but I can tell you this is traffic that's going to make you a lot of money. Right. So let's see if I'm going to give a tip match to the product creator or not. Yeah, seriously. Okay. I love this thing. You're the man. Okay. This is very cool. Grab this one. You're going to love it.